Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Facebook memories not working problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, search or find out Facebook app, tap on Facebook, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now go to Google Play Store, click on search Facebook app, update Facebook app if showing on Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.